Right, so I bought myself a SUNNCAMP Air Evolution Swift Air Canopy 260 for caravan. So I'm just about to put it up for the first time, aren't I? Let's see how we go. The other awning we had were a bit of a pain with the poles, but we just wanted something to protect us from weather, just keep chairs dry, but let a bit of fresh air in. So we'll put it up and see how it goes. So that's it up. Fairly easy, isn't it? Just got to put ladder straps around bottom, peg it down around outside. You can get some bars to go in here, you know, like air, just to stiffen it up against caravan in corner, which I might do. But at the moment, that went up in about 5 minutes. Now I've got all everything adjusted, it should be alright. Protector from weather. Like I say, you've just got that one air beam there. You can buy, I think it's about £60 for 2 air beams that go along there and go into corner, just to get a bit of stiffness. So it's nice to be able to have something that's easy to put up. And it gives you that bit of protection from the breeze, but you can also lift those sides up as well and roll them up and fasten them up here to let you a bit of airflow on both sides, and that fits perfect. So I'll just peg it down, rest it tighten it up, and we'll show you when it's finished. Right, so that's it, up, peg down, just a few more pegs to put in really. I have probably got a different way I could put it up later on, next time I do it, but for the first time I suppose I've done well. So you got like draft skirts at bottom there, unelasticated. Just right size for me and Karen in there. Table and that. So that's it. Are you happy with it? Yes?
Yeah.
It'll do?
Yeah.
And I put it up by myself so there were no divorce. Yeah, I just need to repeg that because I've gone a bit far out with that one. But all in all, yeah, I think I'll invest in them two air beams. What I did was do it as a normal awning and pegged under there first, you see, but you don't really need to. So what I'll do is I'll show you with the sides rolled up, and then you can see it looks like a canopy as well. Karen's going to give us a demonstration. I was doing it wrong.
Polished, washing.
Dear all night. Have to fast forward. You'll not reach top. You're halfway up, you're nearly above head out. So you can have it open sided like that. Let a bit of air flow through. Just finished me pegging down and that'll do nicely. Just big enough for me and Karen. Squash two chairs in. Don't need anything too big, do we? We don't need anything too big, do we, than this? Right, it's time for a well-earned drink. Time for a well-earned drink. So we close that side, just to stop the breeze coming through. Got the open front there. There's some black clouds in the distance. And at the moment, I have still got this side open. Let some air in. So that's it, it's all up. I didn't bother showing you the air pump or whatever, or the ladder straps, or the what's in the bag, because all air awnings are the same. So you've seen me putting it up, and we're very happy with it. I can't tell you a clue what it's made of. It's just black and grey, and hopefully it'll last us a few years. So we're happy with what we've got, and we're going to enjoy a few days here. Just a quick update on the SUNNCAMP Swift Air Canopy 260. It was quite a windy night last night. I did just check security of it before I went to bed last night, and this morning we're still all stood up. So I thought we'd been open, it might just pull out the bottoms of the thing, but it hasn't done. Pegs in that at the bottom. So all in all, it stood quite a gusty night. So I'm very impressed with that one. So that's the update. Third use of it, and that's the update. So we've not really had any good winds. You can see it's puffing up and blowing. It's still gusting quite well this morning. Right, so that's the update for the Swift Camp Evolution Swift Air Canopy 260. Right, so that's the sun canopy up. I didn't bother showing you what's in the bag. There's an air pump, pegs and ladder straps, so I've put that together, and as you can see, awning's up. So if you've like what you're seeing, don't forget, give me that thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing and click that notification bell. And also, will there be more videos coming from our trip here at Bellingham, so please carry on and watch this series of videos. There'll be a playlist created with all the videos on this trip. So I'd like to say goodbye for now. We'll see you next video. Bye.